Have you ever found yourself painstakingly cutting and pasting to create a spreadsheet of names and other information from Outlook? This video will demonstrate how to use Microsoft Outlook and Microsoft Excel to create an organized spreadsheet from the Coast Guard Global Directory. For this video, we will use the Contacts tab in Outlook at the bottom left corner of your screen to get to your Contacts view. Once in Contacts, we'll be using the List view and the View tab. Once in the View tab menu, we'll be using the View Settings button at the top left. It is marked with the gears symbol. Now let's get started. First, to get where we need to be, open up Microsoft Outlook and select the Contacts icon at the bottom left of the screen. Next, select the List button. Select the View tab at the top middle of your screen. Once at the View menu, double-click on the View Settings button, the one at the top left with the gears symbol. You will see an Advanced View Settings window. Click on the Columns button at the top. You will see a Show Columns screen. Use the Remove button to remove everything from the right side box. Highlight the buttons to remove them all at once, or you can remove them one at a time. Then on the left, select All Contact Fields from the Select Available Columns drop-down menu. You will have to scroll down. From the list, select First Name and then click on the Add button. Do the same thing for last name, email, and categories. As a note, other useful columns might be Business Phone, Company, Department, or Account, which is your CG alias. When you have finished adding your columns, select OK. You will be returned to the Advanced View Settings list window. On this screen, set Group By, the second button from the top, to Categories. Then click OK in the Advanced View Settings list window. Once you have completed these steps, this setup will remain in your list view. You will not have to repeat these steps unless you need to change or reset it. To begin adding individuals for your list, click the Home tab in the upper left corner of your screen. Then click on the Address Book in the upper right corner of your screen. You will see the Address Book Global Address List window pop up. Type the name of the first individual on your list, last name first. Then, verify that it is the correct individual and right-click on the highlighted name and select Add to Contacts from the menu that appears. Once you have added all your contacts from Global, you will need to create a category. Highlight one of your contacts and then click Categorize in the upper right corner and select All Categories from the drop-down menu. From the All Categories window, click the New button. Then create a name and select a color. Then click OK. One category is enough to separate your list from the rest of your contacts. For example, your category can be the name of a course, seminar, or event. If you would like to separate them even further before you copy and paste to a spreadsheet, you can create more than one category. Once your contacts are categorized and your contacts are grouped by category, open Microsoft Excel. Keep your spreadsheet open, but return to your Outlook contacts. Select all the contacts organized by category that you want on your list. Right-click and select Copy from the menu. Place your cursor in the A1 cell on your spreadsheet and right-click. Select Paste from the drop-down menu. Expand the columns to see the full text in each column. Save your spreadsheet using a useful naming convention. And that's it. Remember, this setup will always remain available to you in your list view of Outlook unless you change it.